Gold traded with moderate bullishness last week, hitting the highs at 27.25, which I have mentioned several times is going to remain a critical resistance zone, as this is the fourth time it is attempting to break beyond this. The next observation was which was shared last week is it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average and trying to bounce back. So now what to expect in the coming week from gold? Can we expect a breakout toward 2750, which is going to be the next critical milestone for gold to break past by? And beyond that, can it move towards 2800? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver in the coming week? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This in this update we'll just focus on gold, and the silver's update will be there in the next video. This is the only channel to give you two updates a day for gold with precise levels and entry points so that you can profit throughout the day, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till. Now, first, let's focus only on the weekly charts here. When you look at the weekly charts here, at this point, I've shown that this is a reversal sign and prices may tend towards 20 period moving average. What has happened? It has moved towards 25.40 and now has bounced back. Now see, for last few weeks you can see it is almost couple of months since gold has taken the support from 2600 levels, that is also the 20 period moving average. Now what has happened in last few weeks, it has shown a reversal and since then it is just delivering higher lows and higher highs. Now in the coming week also the level at 27.25 is going to be critical, and then 27.50. Yes, if it stays above 27.25, probability will be very high that it may try to either go close towards 2750 or in fact break that. That possibility exists strong. I will be looking at where it opens the first trading session and how it proceeds. If you see it is staying above 2025 zone, I think we can stay bullish from here, and we can expect similar size of candle which is going to take it towards 2750 as the first target, 2765.70 as the next targets possibly. Yes, if it stays bullish, if it opens bullish, then you can expect similar size of candle like this where it can head towards 2765.70 zone. As what is happening, just notice this, it is showing signs of exhaustion here. The bulls are getting tired and it is finding a stronger hurdle here at 2725 2025 zone. So I'll definitely watch out for how it behaves here, else the chances of reversal. Now when you can say that it is turning bearish, it is very important for gold to now trade first below 2680 levels. That is the first level which it needs to break in order to turn bearish in the coming week, and then only and only if it breaks this critical zone, that is 2660 2650 levels. If you see gold trading below 2660 and then 2650 levels, you can say this is reversal here. Yes, drop retracement and it is going to show you a major dip here. This is something which I'll be watchful of. Any drop below 2660 2650 is a clear sign that we are looking forward to 2620, and any drop below 2620 is a clear sign of a crash in making in gold in the near future. Look at the stock ISIC, this is rising. The MACD, if you look at on the week, what has happened at this point, I've shared that this is at an extreme levels, prices must retrace. What has happened, see, the MACD has dipped but the prices are back to 2700 levels here. Now it is trying to converge. A crossover here can mean a reversal, but right now I can see only signs of conversion but no crossover. So I will say, in fact, even if it rises here, be careful till double top levels, that is 2790. Beyond this, I can say another rally is due here in gold. See, once it comes back into the greener side, it is going to be a reversal. RSI again is starting to rise, but this is just on the weekly charts. Let's have a further look on the daily charts. And now on the daily charts, notice this: first attempt, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth time gold is hitting the wall here. And what has happened since this attempt here? This was the first decline, then this second, then this third, and this time again it is trying to reverse. So now it is very crucial for gold to break 2725 levels, and then 2730 32. Beyond that, 2750. These are the three key levels which I'll be watchful of. Look at 2750, how strong is this resistance here? So I'll be definitely watchful of these levels on the upside. Now look at the daily charts, how it is behaved: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, and it is starting to retrace. Now let's say if it continues with this retracement, where are the support levels here? First, as I mentioned, towards 2680 levels, these are going to remain critical support. And if this is taken, then 2660 and 2650. Now, notice this. See, the 20 period and 50 period moving averages first have crossed over here, trading with divergence. Signs are bullish. Second, the bottom of the channel somewhere here at around this zone, and then the support level. So now you can confirm that as long as gold stays above 2650 levels, we have to be very careful with the selling entries, and any break below this and any break below 2620 is a clear sign of a crash in making here in gold. What we can expect then? We can expect lower lows where it is going to head towards 2550, 2540. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD after the crossover, it is rising, it is looking upwards, and it has lot much of scope on the upside as well. And the RSI now trying to trade with moderate bearishness. Before we come back to the 4-hour charts, let's have a look at the monthly. Now notice on the monthly candle, higher lows are consistently seen, and if you connect the lows here, you can find all are beautifully connected. This makes till 2600 there are extremely strong supports available for gold. Now look at on the upside what it has done. It is just shied away from the preceding highs. It is just falling almost short of the preceding highs. So now it is very important for gold to break past this zone. Else what is happening? It has started on a greener note. We are almost at the middle of the month. We have almost passed the middle of the month. And now if it starts to decline, because see, these are two red candles, lower highs are there, and if it starts to decline and trades below 2600, we are looking forward to a red candle. Now why it could crash? Now if you notice this, prices are trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. What we had seen on the weekly charts, whenever it starts to diverge, whenever prices starts to diverge from the 20 period, you can see a conversion towards 20 period moving average. Now you can also just watch the educational video here. It is there in the playlist. I have only released one educational video that is specifically on the exponential moving average, and you can find out why these are very important. Even if you don't go to the charts, look at the time when it is diverged. It is shown a stronger conversion here. See this time, and now this is a stronger run. So the possibility is very high that in the near term, gold prices might move towards 20 period very soon. Now if you see this, the stochastic was overbought. It is now looking down, which is not a favorable sign for the bulls. Second thing is, the see the MACD here. What happened after this rise? A stronger decline. Then the second rise after a couple of dips, then a stronger decline. And now the MACD is at extremes here. And now this calls for it to start converging. Now for it to start converging, it has to deliver a red candle here. And now a red candle here this month means it is going to pave way for further drop in gold prices in the next few months, which I am being watchful of. And thus the closer of this month is going to be very important, and the next week is going to be very important. Look at the RSI. Whenever it has shown such V-shaped structure, it is always followed with a dip here. So this is possible that it can continue with the downside. So coming to the 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, what has happened here? Again, it has come down to take the support here from the 20 period, and it is proving out to be a good support. And now in the coming week, it is very important how gold behaves. First at 2694.95 zone. If you see it is staying below this, expect 2680. And see, as I have mentioned, the support levels till 2660 and 2650 are very strong. See this could again come back towards this zone, and at that point we will see how it behaves. The stochastic has dropped, MACD also crossing over here for sell, trading with little divergence, and this is the third time it is striking this zone and trying to reverse. A possible reversal cannot be denied here. RSI has dropped. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. Before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy here. I will recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying about 2704 or 2704.5 levels, which is very nearby. You have to wait for it to break beyond 27 13 levels here. If this is taken, then 27.18. Now once it trades beyond 27.18, and in fact let me include 27.20, if it breaks beyond 27.18.20, stay bullish. Now see how strong is the resistance here on the upside till 27.25. I think you have to remain cautious, include 27.25, 27.27 as well. This is going to be a very strong resistance here for gold beyond that 27.32. So see on the upside, now you know that the resistances are very near and resistances are pretty strong. It has to break past this, then you can expect that we are looking forward to 27.48.50 levels as the next target. And if it stays above this, you are looking forward to 27.65, 27.71.5, and then 27.88. If 27.88 is taken, I think 2800 anyways is to be there. 2804, 2820 should be there very, very, very soon. Let's see which direction it gives you a breakout. Just you need to be very cautious first at around, let me mark you the levels. This is the going to be one critical zone, and this is going to be the next critical zone. If these two levels are taken, chances will be very, very high that this, or in fact this can be taken. So be mindful of this. On the down, a selling entry is at 26.96.94 zone. You can sell here. Expect 26.84, 80 as the next targets. Very, very strong support here as well. In fact, I will say 26.84, 26.78.76 the second, and then below this is where you can expect slight bearishness, where the chances will be very, very high that we may see 26.68 levels here. Below 26.68, 26.60 will appear here. These are going to be the most critical support levels here on the downside. Now these three are going to be something which you should watch out for. In fact, till 26.60 and 50, I think you have to be extremely careful with the sells, because below this is what you are going to look at 26.20, 2600, and then we are looking forward to 25.50 levels very, very, very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again on Monday with twice a day updates. Though Monday the US markets are closed, but the futures will be trading. So take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.